And so, it's official. The world's first consumer drone with a triple camera system is here, and we can't keep calm. Tech giant DJI has hit a home run with the new Mavic 3 Pro, which is equipped with no less than 3 camera sensors. And 3 cameras with different focal lengths really are better than 1 or 2. Watch full video and get to know about the Mavic 3 Pro, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Let's get into the Mavic 3 Pro. This drone has everything going for it: a time-tested and renowned Hasselblad camera, 2 telecameras, a 43-minute maximum flight time, DJI's reliable omnidirectional obstacle sensing, and 15 km HD video transmission. But what's truly remarkable is that the new Mavic 3 Pro, a premium product if there ever was one, has a price tag that won't break the bank. So, here's everything you need to know about the world's first 3 optical camera drone. The Mavic 3 Pro features a triple camera system with multiple focal lengths, 24mm/70mm/166mm, each tailored for multifaceted aerial storytelling. For instance, you can establish the environment with the wide angle, move into a specific location with the medium tele, and finally focus on a particular area or character with the telecamera. Your main camera is a 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad that the Mavic 3 Pro inherits from the OG Mavic 3. This camera supports shooting 12-bit RAW photos with a native dynamic range of up to 12.8 stops. It comes with the added goodness of Hasselblad Natural Color Solution, HNCS, tech that accurately restores the colors the human eye perceives. So you don't have to grapple with extensive post-production or complex color presets. To know that the drone is ideal for creators and small studios, you only have to look at its impressive professional video specifications: image capture at up to 5.1K at 50 frames per second or DCI 4K at 120 frames per second. Then there's the new 10-bit D-Log-M color mode, which, according to DJI, supports recording up to 1 billion colors. The drone maker is quick to stress that the Mavic 3 Pro delivers natural color gradations with delicate details for a full-spectrum visual experience, even in high-contrast scenarios, like sunrises and sunsets. In addition, D-Log-M mode reduces the difficulty of color grading, allowing efficient post-production without losing quality or image clarity. That said, if you're a professional creator, you would want to check out the Cine version of this drone. In Mavic 3 Pro Cine, all 3 cameras support Apple ProRes 422 HQ, Apple ProRes 422, and Apple ProRes 422 LT encoding. The Cine version also has a built-in 1TB SSD and comes with a 10 gigabits per second Lightspeed cable to help streamline data storage and transfer. For everybody else, there's the high-speed quick transfer option that allows image and video downloads direct from the drone to a mobile phone over Wi-Fi 6 at speeds up to 80 megabytes per second without connecting to the remote controller. But now, let's get back to the all-new medium telecamera, 70mm format equivalent, that is designed to give a unique sense of depth and space. With its 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor and 3x optical zoom, this camera is capable of 48MP/12MP photos and 4K/60fps video. It also supports the new D-Log-M and can be used to create stunning hyperlapse videos. The Mavic 3 Pro's telecamera, meanwhile, has been enhanced for better resolution, aperture, from f4.4 to f3.4, and video frame rate. It now supports shooting 4K/60fps video with 7x optical zoom and 12MP photos. And with its hybrid zoom reaching up to 28x, there's no need to risk flying close to objects such as snow-capped mountains or buildings. Even wildlife can be observed effortlessly from a safe distance and without disturbing the animals, provided you have permission to fly at their location in the first place. We also must give props to DJI for not compromising on the flight time even with the addition of an extra camera. The Mavic 3 Pro supports up to 43 minutes of flight time, which is only 3 minutes less than the original Mavic 3's. And ensures you are not scurrying to replace the battery even before you've had the chance to get that perfect shot. To keep your mind at peace even further, there are 8 wide-angle vision sensors that work seamlessly with a high-performance computing engine to precisely sense obstacles in all directions and plan a safe flight route to avoid them. DJI's new drone is equipped with omnidirectional sensing and APS 5.0, and its O3 Plus transmission system can transmit a 1080p/60 fps HD live feed at high frame rates at a distance of up to 15 kilometers. And as is the case with most DJI drones, the new Mavic 3 Pro boasts several intelligent flight modes and safety features, including Focus Track. The Hasselblad camera and the medium telecamera of Mavic 3 Pro support Focus Track, which includes Active Track 5.0, Spotlight, and Point of Interest, enabling stable tracking shots in multiple directions. Master Shots are enabled with just one tap, and the drone will automatically shoot, edit, and add soundtracks to automatically generate cinematic footage. Quick Shots perform diverse camera movements like drone, rocket, circle, and helix. Panorama compose a 100 MP lossless panorama photo to capture a more extensive and magnificent landscape. Waypoint Flight drone automatically plans a flight route based on the operator's preset waypoints and can precisely repeat routes. Cruise Control set Mavic 3 Pro to fly in any direction without continually pressing the control sticks for smoother camera movement during long-distance manual control. Advanced RTH automatically determines a safe and efficient flight route back to its home point, easily bypassing obstacles on the RTH path. DJI Mavic 3 Pro price. With shipping starting as early as May, the new triple camera system drone from DJI is available in the following configurations. DJI Mavic 3 Pro, DJI RC $2,199. DJI Mavic 3 Pro Fly More Combo, DJI RC $2,999. DJI Mavic 3 Pro Fly More Combo, DJI RC Pro $3,889. DJI Mavic 3 Pro Cine Premium Combo, $4,799. It's worth highlighting that the Mavic 3 Pro is compatible with the latest DJI Goggles Integra, DJI Goggles 2, and DJI RC Motion 2.